Hello guys. Today we're gonna do this Lego set. We're gonna look around at this Lego set. So this is the boarding of the tantive 4. It's a pretty cool set. It comes with an exclusive figure and all of these figures. So it comes with 2 Rebel, Fleet Troopers, I think, Captain Tilly's, Darth Vader, and 2 Stormtroopers. And let's take these off so you can see the actual thing by itself. Oops. And these are. You can do this by pulling this. And let's see. And I'm gonna go get some more of my figures. Or one Fleet Trooper. I have one more Fleet Trooper and some more Stormtroopers and officer. Go get them in just a second. Got the stuff. Got some more Stormtroopers, one more Fleet Trooper. Okay. Got one more Rebel Fleet Trooper from the set. Got not 1, not 2, but 3 more Stormtroopers. Got a artillery trooper and a zombie stormtrooper and an officer. Okay, so let's make it up. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. So let's set up the troopers. Let's set them right here. Kids. Right here. One right here. And one right here. And the Captain Tilly. Captain Tilly is right here. And get the rest stormtroopers ready for battle. Oops, I broke something. Ah. 2 more coming in. One Rebel trooper down. Another one down. Another one. Coming in. Ah. Ah. Officer coming in. 2 more troopers, not chili trooper, and the normal trooper. Darth Vader's coming in. I forgot, I don't know where the clear piece went, so I'm just doing this. Oh my gosh. Okay. And don't forget this figure. Okay. And also if you buy 2 of these, you can combine them together, which I didn't do. And see you.